Hi, I'm Mihaela Erler. I am one of the PCI-SIG Marketing Workgroup co-chairs.
Hi, and I'm Scott Knowlton, and I'm the other marketing co-chair.
We're here today to discuss the main benefits of joining PCI-SIG.
And membership benefits include compliance workshop, developers conferences, and a variety of participation in technical work groups.
PCI-SIG is a global organization, and anyone who pays a small annual fee can become a member and participate in shaping the PCIe technology. And Scott, why would member companies want to participate in PCI-SIG work groups?
Well, one of the great benefits that PCI members have is to participate in a work group to help shape the PCIe specification. So that includes work groups focused on marketing, electrical, protocol, cabling, compliance, and we even have market-specific work groups targeting specific applications like automotive. And with the recent release of PCIe 6 specification, and today we announced the PCIe 7 specification, there's plenty of opportunities for you to be able to contribute your expertise to the PCIe technology. So Mihaela, what benefits in participating in PCI-SIG compliance workshops?
Well, one of the main benefits is free attendance at the compliance workshops, where members can test their products for interoperability and compliance. And products that pass these workshops would be added to the integrator list, which many companies use when making purchasing decisions. So Scott, what are PCI-SIG DevCons and why should members attend?
So aside from the technical benefits, PCI-SIG also provides educational and marketing opportunities for members. At the PCI-SIG Developers Conferences or DevCons, they're free events for members that provide an opportunity to network with the industry's PCIe technology experts and participate in technical meetings and discuss best practices to how to incorporate PCIe technology into your products. So Mihaela, the PCI-SIG Marketing Workgroup is in charge of promoting PCIe technology out in the industry. What are ways that members that join the Marketing Workgroup can participate?
Well, members can contribute by promoting PCIe technology in different market segments and applications. They can showcase their industry thought leadership and also show their company's position as a leader in the PCIe technology development. And members also have the opportunity to educate the rest of the industry through industry events. They can contribute to white papers, blogs, articles, social media, and much more.
So Mihaela and I would like to thank you for watching our video, and we would like you to consider joining and contributing to the Marketing Workgroup. We hope that you'll join us soon and help contribute towards the launch of PCIe 7.